So Eli Lilly, why I'm short. First of all, if we zoom out, you can see an extremely stretched trend, right? In 10 years, we did 20-fold. We 20x'd. So that's also it's a sign that you need to be careful with taking longs, because there's a lot of people and a lot of funds on extreme profits. Yeah, and they are one time they are going to sell, of course. What we also see is that while the trend was strong, yeah, we make a new breakout and we never come back to the previous range, right? Look, every time we break out, we're not coming back. That's a sign of a strong trend. What we see here, we make a new all-time high, but what happens? We are going to come back not even to this high, but we are going to test this high, filling this gap. That's a sign of a weakening trend or a trend evolving into a trading range. So if the trend is getting exhausted, it starts doing things like that. And if you think about it, it makes sense, right? If you study these patterns over the last 100 years, yeah, once it starts testing the previous highs, it's likely to do it again. So yeah, that's why we showed it here. Also together with the double top, I like shorting double tops instead of nothing, because yeah, you can gain a little extra probability if you wait for a double top, and I think that's important. It's not a precise double top, it's a higher high double top, and this one was in the overnight session. Yeah, on some charts, on a normal daily chart, you cannot even see it, but then it is just a higher high with a rejection. I like the 24-hour session because yeah, charts they trade around the clock now, so there's more information. Yeah, so looking ahead, so I think that we now started the bear move. I think now that yeah, we're gonna go at least a little lower. Yeah, for sure. If we go to this top, it aligns with this bottom, right? So that makes sense. This top exactly aligns with that bottom. So this is an important point. But I also think that the 1000th magnetic pool, it's such a big round number that what you very often see, especially on lower time frames, that the price just keeps going back to such a big round number for quite a while. So I can also see yeah, this becoming the range, and then we are just gonna come back to 1000 all the time. But yeah, personally, it's just a short-term swing trade. I may take some profits here already, and then the rest at 1000. If we get selling strength, if we don't get it, then I may just grab the profit earlier. But yeah, so that's the plan. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, let me hear what on which side you are. Thanks for listening.